Hello friends, welcome to at Pagojai TV channel. Topic of this video: 1. What is Agile? 2. Key concepts and principles of Agile. 3. Popular Agile methodologies. 4. Benefits of Agile. Agile is a software development methodology and set of principles that prioritize flexibility, collaboration, customer centricity, and iterative development. The Agile approach aims to deliver high-quality software that meets customer needs through incremental and iterative cycles of work, fostering adaptability and responsiveness to changing requirements and market conditions. Agile methodologies emphasize customer feedback, continuous improvement, and close collaboration between development teams, stakeholders, and end users. Key concepts and principles of Agile. Iterative development. Agile projects are divided into smaller iterations or time-bound cycles called sprints. Each sprint typically lasts a few weeks and results in a potentially shippable product increment. Incremental delivery. Agile teams deliver functional pieces of the software at the end of each iteration. This allows for faster feedback from stakeholders and the possibility of releasing valuable features earlier. Customer collaboration. Agile values customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Regular communication with customers and stakeholders ensures that the software aligns with their needs and expectations. Responding to change. Agile embraces changes in requirements, even late in the development process. Changes are viewed as opportunities to deliver a better product rather than disruptions. Individuals and interactions. Agile emphasizes the importance of effective communication and collaboration among team members, valuing interactions over processes and tools. Working software. The primary measure of progress in Agile is working software. Delivering functional software at the end of each iteration demonstrates tangible value. Self-organizing teams. Agile teams are self-organizing, meaning they have the autonomy to make decisions and determine how to best achieve their goals within the project's framework. Regular reflection and adaptation. Agile teams hold regular retrospectives to reflect on their processes and outcomes, identifying areas for improvement and making necessary adjustments. Continuous delivery. Agile promotes the idea of delivering small, frequent releases, allowing organizations to respond to user feedback and changes more rapidly. If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to at Pagojai TV channel. Popular Agile methodologies. Scrum. Scrum is a widely adopted agile framework that organizes work into time-boxed iterations called sprints. It includes defined roles, product owner, scrum master, development team, and ceremonies, sprint planning, daily stand-up, sprint review, sprint retrospective. Kanban. Kanban focuses on visualizing and managing work in progress using a visual board. It provides flexibility in workflow and is useful for managing continuous streams of work. Extreme Programming (XP). XP emphasizes engineering practices that contribute to software quality, such as test-driven development, pair programming, and frequent releases. Lean software development. Based on lean manufacturing principles, this approach focuses on eliminating waste, optimizing flow, and delivering value efficiently. Benefits of Agile. Customer satisfaction. Agile prioritizes customer needs and adapts to changes quickly, resulting in software that better meets user expectations. Faster time to market. Incremental development and regular releases enable quicker delivery of valuable features to users. Improved quality. Frequent testing, continuous integration, and automated testing practices in Agile contribute to higher software quality. Enhanced collaboration. Agile emphasizes teamwork and regular communication, fostering better collaboration among team members and stakeholders. Flexibility and adaptability. Agile's iterative nature allows teams to adjust to changing requirements and market conditions. Reduced risks. Regular feedback and continuous improvement help identify and address issues early, reducing project risks. Empowered teams. Agile promotes team autonomy and ownership, leading to increased motivation and engagement. Agile is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its principles can be adapted to suit the specific needs and culture of an organization. Successful adoption of Agile requires a commitment to its values, a willingness to embrace change, and ongoing efforts to improve processes and practices based on feedback and experience. Please like this video if you like the content. Share this video with your near and dear ones. Let me know your comments in the comments section. Check out our other videos in this channel. For more interesting videos like this, subscribe to my channel at Pagojai TV. Thank you.